In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the date in Loox reviews on your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. This is a quick and simple way to enhance the look and feel of your product reviews for a more streamlined presentation. Having dated reviews can sometimes distract from the content or make your page look cluttered, so let's go through the steps to take care of that. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head on over to Shopify. It might be a good idea to have your login credentials at the ready if you're not already signed in. Once you've got Shopify opened up, go ahead and log into your account. Just enter your username and password as you usually would, and you'll be brought right into the Shopify admin area. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to the Apps section. This is where we manage all the different tools and integrations associated with your Shopify store. In this case, we're looking for the Loox app. Once you find it, go ahead and select it so we can access its dashboard and get working on the product review settings. Inside the Loox dashboard, you'll need to locate the section where you configure your product review widgets. These widgets are the key to showcasing reviews on your store, and they offer various customization options. We'll focus specifically on making the dates invisible, but you'll see there's a host of other features you could explore too. With the review widgets in view, select the specific widget on which you'd like to hide the dates. This might be for a particular product or section of your store, depending on your setup. Clicking on the widget will bring up various configuration options. Now, here's the crucial part. Look for the Show Review Date toggle within the widget settings. This toggle controls whether the review dates are visible to customers. You should see an option labeled Hidden. Go ahead and switch the toggle to the hidden position. This will ensure that the review dates are no longer displayed on your site, giving it a clean and timeless appearance. Before finishing up, be sure to save your changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but saving is essential to apply the adjustments to your live store. Check for a Save button somewhere on the page and click it to confirm your settings. Once saved, your adjustments should take effect immediately, and you can preview your store to confirm the dates have been successfully hidden. And that's it. You've just hidden the dates on your Loox reviews in a few straightforward steps, contributing to a cleaner, more consistent look for your e-commerce platform. Thanks for following along with this quick tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more resources.